Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. First, look at carbon dioxide and carbon tetrachloride. Although they contain polar bonds, their linear and tetrahedral shapes are perfectly symmetric, so the individual bond dipoles cancel out to zero net. Next, consider fluorine gas. Since both atoms are identical, they share electrons equally, meaning there is no electronegativity difference at all. This makes the molecule completely non-polar with no dipole moment. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush of picking fluorine just for electronegativity.